Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll show you how to utilize conditional formatting in your story. This will display a threshold that you can set for your data, which will visually help make patterns or trends more apparent. Let's begin. Starting from our story, we'll apply conditional formatting in two ways, by either right-clicking and selecting New Threshold, or by clicking on the conditional formatting icon under Tools here. Next, we'll click on Add Threshold. From here, we'll select our measure from the list in which we want to apply the conditional formatting. For this scenario, we'll use PTD balance. Now, we'll add values for our range by typing it into the min and max fields. Click on Add Range to add values for warning and critical fields as well if needed. You can see an example of how each is reflected visually below. Once you are done inputting how you want your ranges to be for each, simply click on Apply. Now, we'll be able to see the ranges for our data applied to our measure, and hovering over it will display a tooltip window of information.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.